infection means UTI. Turbid in the case of acute glomerulonephritis due to the albumin. Smoky urine seen in acute glomerulonephritis due to the presence of hematuria. Color. Dark yellow color urine in hepatic jaundice and obstructive jaundice due to the presence of bile pigments. Odor. Smell of acetone. Chronic starvation, diabetes, ketoacidosis, mostly smell seen in phenylketonuria. False smell is urinary tract infection. Specific gravity. So specific gravity is inversely proportional to the volume of the urine. However, in diabetes mellitus, the specific gravity is high due to the glucosuria along the volume is also more. Volume, polyuria. So diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus. Oliguria means acute nephritis, fever, loss of fluid like diarrhea and vomiting. Chemical constituent. The commonly found abnormal constituent urine are: first one is protein, second reducing sugar, third ketone body, 4 blood, hemoglobin and erythrocytes, 5 bile salts, 6 bile pigments. Chemical examination. First test is test of protein, experiment, observation and inference. So first test is heat and coagulation test. Take approximately 5 ml of urine in the test tube. Acidify with 2% of acetic acid and heat the upper portion. So turbidity appearance on the upper part of the test tube. So albumin is present. Second test, sulfoxylic acid test. Take 3 ml of urine, add 1 ml of 20% sulfoxylic acid and precipitate so the presence of protein. Protein is precipitated by sulfoxylic acid and remove of charges on the protein. So observation, just you saw precipitate are formed. So protein is present. Taste of reducing sugar. જે તમે કાર્બોહાઈડ્રેટના પ્રેક્ટિકલમાં કરેલો બેનિડિક્ટ ટેસ્ટ. So Benedict test, first 5 ml of Benedict solution in the test tube, add 8 drops of urine, sample and boil for 1 to 2-3 minutes. So green, orange or red precipitate are observed. So it indicates the presence of reducing sugar, glucose and color is suggestive of approximate amount of glucose. Test for ketones body. So ketone body માટે આપણે શું કરીશું? Rothras test. So 5 ml of urine and pinch of solid ammonium sulfate take and mix well. Mix કરવાનું and saturated solution 2 to 3 drops of freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside solution is added. Ammonium linker is added drop by drop along the walls. Ammonium linker ammonia આપણે શું કરવાનું? ધીરે 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 સાઈડ ઉપરથી નાખવાનું છે. So purple or pink ring is observed. So it indicates the presence of acetone or acetoacetic acid. So ketone body presence. Rothras test. So 5 ml of urine and pinch of solid ammonium sulfate take, mix well, mix karvanu and 2 to 3 drops of freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside solution is added and impregnated in drop by drop along the wall. So purple ring જોવા મળશે રોથરા સ્ટેજમાં. તો ઇટ ઇન્ડિકેટ પ્રેઝન્સ ઓફ એસિટોન ઓર એસિટોએસિટિક ટેસ્ટ ફોર બાયપિગમેન્ટ. હવે બાયપિગમેન્ટ માટે Fortier stage, the 5 ml of urine sample is taken, few drops of saturated magnesium sulfate લેવાનું, mix well to dissolve, and few drops of barium chloride in excess, a precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. The bile pigment will get absorbed to the precipitate of barium sulfate. Precipitate is dried between the folds of the filter paper and few drops of Fortier reagents are added. So observation માં શું જોવા મળશે bile pigment માં? Green or blue color is observed. So this test indicate the presence of bile pigment. Barium chloride reacts with ammonium sulfate to form barium sulfate precipitate. Bile pigment get absorbed in the surface of barium sulfate. Fortier reagent oxidize bilirubin to green biliverdin and blue bilicycline. Methylene blue test. Add 1 drop of methylene blue to 4 to 5 ml of urine. Mix well and observe. Blue color of methylene blue change to parrot green color. Here, methylene blue is a powerful oxidized agent and oxidized bilirubin to biliverdin means green color. Observation માં શું આવશે? Blue color change to parrot green color. So interference bile pigment present. Test for bisalt. Ace and sulfur flowers test. 1 spatula of sulfur powder in to be spring into 5 ml of urine sample without disturbing the test tube. So observation, sulfur sink to bottom of the test tube. These tests indicate the presence of bisalt. Bisalt reduce the surface tension. Second test, pan copper test. Add 2 to 4 drops of 5% sucrose solution into 3 ml of urine. Mix well and add 2 ml of concentration sulfuric acid through the side of the test tube without disturbing the solution. Deep pulperic form at the junction of 2 layers. These tests indicate the presence of bisalt. Sucrose react with sulfuric acid to form puperal. Puperal react with bile to form a purple color complex. Clinical significance. Reducing sugar, mainly glucose, means glycosuria. Glucose in diabetes mellitus, fructose, essential fructosuria, galactose, galactosemia, lactose, pregnancy and lactation, pentose, disorder of uronic acid pathway. Ketones body. So ketonuria means excretion of ketone body in urine. Ketonemia, accumulation of ketone body in the blood. Ketosis means condition with ketonemia and ketonuria. Ketone body means acetone, acetoacetate and beta hydroxybutyrate means ketone body kehvaye ene. Cause diabetes ketoacidosis means glycosuria plus ketones body. Starvation ketoacidosis only ketone bodies. Protein. When protein appears in discernible quantity in urine, it is called as proteinuria, mainly in albumin types. Renal proteinuria means glomerular, acute and chronic glomerulonephritis, nephrotic syndrome, and diabetes mellitus. Tubular, burns, heavy metal poisoning, acute pancreatitis, chronic feline nephritis, and cirrhosis. Post-renal proteinuria, inflammation and malignancy, functional, exercise, congestive heart failure. Overload proteinuria means Baines-Jones protein in multiple myeloma. In blood, hematuria, passing of blood, whole blood, including erythrocyte in urine, causes acute and chronic glomerulonephritis, renal calculi, urethral structure, UTI, and carcinoma of bladder. Bisalt. Bile salts are the sodium and potassium salts of glycolytic and turcolicolic acid, derivatives of cholesterol. Normally, they do not enter general circulation, and so they are absent in normal urine, causes hepatocellular jaundice and obstructive jaundice. Bile pigment means bile pigment are bilirubin and biliverdin produced by the breakdown of heme in the reticuloendothelium system. Bile contain conjugated bilirubin which excreted into the intestine. In normal individual, bile pigment are absent in urine, causes hepatic jaundice means viral hepatitis, intrahepatic cholestasis, post-hepatic jaundice means gallstone, carcinoma of pancreas, extrahepatic cholestasis, tumor of the bile duct. Thank you. હવે first test. Heat and coagulation test. So turbidity appearance in the upper part of the test tube. Just look like turbidity seen in upper part of test tube. So albumin is present. Second test is sulfoxylic acid test. Precipitate are formed. So protein is present. Third test is Benedict test. Blue color changes into orange. So reducing sugar is present. Ketone body માટેનો ટેસ્ટ તો Rothras test. So pulper ring is formed. So ketone bodies are present. So example acetone and acetoacetate. Bile pigment માટે Porchet test, yellow precipitate turn to bluish green. Bile pigment are present. Methylene blue test. So blue color change to parrot green color. So bile pigment are present. A sulfur flower test. So sulfur powder sink to the bottom of urine containing test tube. Bile salt are present. Pen copper test. Deep pulper ring is formed. Deep pulper ring is formed. So bile salts are present. Hello.